Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I want to show you something. I took this out. It's all dried up, as you can see. It cracks, it breaks, and this is gone. So I took this one out, but the other two are doing good condition. And let me throw this over there. So I could pulling this out. Look at all the dirt. I gotta clean that up now too. So I call it. But you could see that some of them are still working right there. Let me see if I could get it right there. It's still giving flowers. This is like a year. You know, in June it'll be a year that I have this plant. I don't know what's going on with the I call this part here. But it looks like if it was gonna have plants, but it doesn't have plants. I think those are roots. I don't know why it's growing roots, because I never water them from up there. I always water them in the bottom, you know, so it doesn't create this. But it created it, so. But anyway, I'm still happy, because as you can see, there's plants. I still got one tomato up there. There's another tomato somewhere down here. I don't know where, but there's another tomato there. But these are doing pretty good. You know, they're still hard. They're still, you know. And I noticed there was one dying, but I couldn't tell which one. What's going to happen now is that I'm going to get, from the same fruit of it, I'm going to get the seed, and I'm going to put it here. I probably put 2 to see what happens. You know, 2 seeds there, and let it grow up here and go out that way and make some more. Maybe I will have, by the time this one dies, I will have, how you call it? I will have more tomatoes from the new plant. Look how long it is, you see? And they're doing pretty good. They're still green. Some of the leaves are yellowish, because sometimes I forget to water them. But I've been very busy this week, so I'm putting it at night when I remember. But now that I'm more tranquil, I don't have to do, you know, I don't have to worry about my granddaughter. She's doing okay. And I call it, I don't have to worry about other things that I had to do. It's all done. So I'm just gonna see if I could put two more. I want to see if I could put 2 more here. I don't know what happened with the camera. It's like it got stuck. So I'm gonna put 2 more here and let them grow. And maybe up to next year I have 2 more growing there. And when this one dies, you know, I have that one. This one, the one I took out, it was like a little flimsy. You know, it was never thick, and it was never like healthy too much. But it gave fruit anyway. So that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.